Hello, my name is Alexander. Welcome to another video. Before we start, I want to announce a new service I offer. I noticed a lot of people ask me in the comments if I could do tutorials on how to play certain songs. And I decided to start doing that. I will post tutorials about simple songs and how to play and practice them. But for more advanced songs, or if you want to get your song sooner, you can do that by subscribing to my $50 a month VIP Patreon. The link is in the description. You will also get one free lesson on top of that. That's not all. There are only 5 open spots for that kind of service, and if you don't get your spot, you have to wait until the next month.
The Pirate Song. This is a very short song. I did this song with a student. She asked for it, and I thought this was fun. Maybe people would like to learn to play it, and let's do a tutorial for this short song. Basically, this song has 8 measures only. One big phrase, and I'm gonna separate that phrase in 8 measures. So let's start with the first measure. First note is F, then A, D, C, B flat. So F, A, D, C, B flat. B flat is short. And the fingering is 1, 2, 5, 4, 3. 1, 2, 5, 4, 3. 1, 2, 5, 4, 3. With counting, it would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and. So this B flat comes after the end. 4 and 4 and. Okay, one more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. The bass for that measure is simple. F major, then go down to the B flat major both at the same time, then go back to the F and F major both at the same time. So F, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and again 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and both hands would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and again 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, moving to the second measure. A, G, F. So A, G, F. Fingering would be 2, 3, 2, 2, 1. So 2, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. And the counting would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So again, you have that note and after the end. Again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, the bass is C, 7th, F major. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So together that would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, let's move to measure number 3. Third measure, actually all A's. A, A. That's it. So let's figure out the fingering first. Because there are a lot of repeated notes, I still suggest that you switch fingers. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. If that is too hard for somebody, they can stay on a second finger. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Yeah. And the counting would be 1 and 2 and capital 4 and. So that on that third beat we have capital, we have a triplet. So again, 1 and 2 and capital 4 and. The bass is D, D minor, A7. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Both hands would be 1 and 2 and capital 4 and. Again, 1 and 2 and capital 4 and. Okay, measure number 4 is starting with D. D, A, F, G, A. So, and A. We have an extra A at the end. So, D, A, F, G, A. And the fingering is 5, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3. So 5, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3. And the counting would be 1 and capital 3 and 4 and. And the counting would be 1 and capital 3 and 4 and. Again. 1 and capital 3 and 4 and. Again, we have that and. Bass is D minor, D minor, D minor, D minor. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the both hands would be 1 and capital 3 and 4 and. 1 and capital 3 and 4 and. Next measure, measure number 5, would be starting with the B flat, three B flats, all triplets in this measure. So we have B flat, G, A, F, B flat, G, A, F, B flat, G, A, F. Measure number 5 now. In this measure we have B flat, G, A, and F, but all comes in triplets. B flat, G, A, F, B flat, A, F, B flat, G, A, F. And the fingering is 4, 3, 4, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 1. It may look confusing at first, but trust me, once you get used to this fingering, your hand will just fly. That's why you change fingering, so when you come to the faster tempo, you can do it. With counting is capital, 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 capital. That's how I count, and this is not hard because when you have the bass on, it's on the first note of every triplet, and that's not a problem. And the bass is G minor and F major. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and, or capital, 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 capital. And playing both hands would be capital, 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 capital. Measure number 6 is starting with a G. G, 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 A, B, C. G, 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 A, B, C. 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the counting would be 1 and 2, capital, 3 and 4 and 1 and capital, 3 and 4 and. And the bass is G, then G 7th, and then C and C major together. G 7th, C and C major. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and capital, 3 and 4 and. One and capital, 3 and 4 and. After this measure, we go back to the beginning and just repeat first 2 measures. And that all counts of 8 measures in total. But we just repeat first 2 literally, they're the same. Except for the last note, because we don't have that extra F that leads us to the measure number 3. We just hold that F for 2 beats. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's it. And that's the end. That's the entire song. Thank you guys for watching this video. Write me in the comments what you think. Did you like this? And if you have any recommendations for future songs tutorials. Thank you.